Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and look what came in the mail. Yep, it's the Curated Bead Box for August of 2023 called Bayou Blues. Here's a list of everything that's in the box, including the little findings packet. So now let's go one by one and see what they look like. The first strand is a 12 millimeter golden spot marble style glass bead, which is a 6-inch string. Next, we have a 10 millimeter brown spot marble style glass bead, 6-inch string. Then we have an 8 millimeter turquoise marble style glass bead, 16-inch string. Then there's an 8 millimeter brown crystal crackle frosted duo bead, a 10.5-inch string. Wow. Next we have these 8 millimeter turquoise gemstone beads, about a 7 to 8-inch string. I love these. And then we have an 8 millimeter lapis gemstone bead, also a 7 to 8-inch string. And next we have some more gemstones. These are 8 millimeter gray brown gemstone bead, 7 to 8-inch string. So now we have some 6 millimeter beads. These are brown spray glass beads, about a 10.5-inch string. These next beads are also 6 millimeter, and they're calling them turquoise bloom spray glass bead, but they're more of a cobalt blue. Next, we have 16 millimeter beads. They're called Galaxy Luster glass beads. They're 6 beads, and they do have large holes. And then next we have 6 beads. They're 12 millimeter blue galaxy glass beads. And then next there are some 10 by 6 millimeter silver metal spacer beads, and there's about 15 of them. And then we have a 34 by 6 millimeter silver filigree metal tubes, and there's 2 of those. Then, as always, you have your findings kit, and these are silver tone. We have crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lobster claw clasps. And here's a little recap of everything that's in this box, this Bayou Blues box. If you're interested in getting your own box, I have a really good coupon code down in the description box below, so you should go check it out. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.